What is up, y'all? So it's the next day. As you guys can see, the roll bar is officially in the car. Honestly, I just didn't bother to even like finish recording all the stuff that I was doing. I just felt like it was becoming really repetitive, but the roll bar is in the car. It looks oh so good. Powder coated gloss white. It still pops out, you know what I mean? Like, it pops off the red, I feel as though. I mean, the yellow would have been crazy too, but I don't think it would have matched, you know? So I'm kind of happy that I went with gloss white. And as you guys know, I've been like growing my hair out. So I'm gonna be wave gang back in the summertime or like spring, probably my next haircut, honestly. But right now I'm heading to BMW because I need to get a quart of oil. This thing be burning through oil, you hear me? Burning through oil. But I'm about to go get a quart of oil right now from over here at BMW, and then I'm probably gonna swing by main shop, see what he's on, and then I'm gonna head back home because today is cold as hell. It wouldn't be so bad if it wasn't windy, but right now it's windy as hell, so it is freezing outside. Damn, look at this 8 Series, yo. I low-key want one. Like, these 8 Series are pretty fire. This one's auto though, but when you see these shits like bagged with some nice ass wheels, I swear to you, probably one of the most fires cars you could see. I was trying to see if I could find one of the new BMWs with the front end, but I don't see that shit nowhere. But I'm about to go inside and go get this damn oil. This i8 is crazy though. This shit's crazy. Sounds like a Nissan. Yo, I ain't gonna lie, bro. This F80 is on fire, dog. Holy shit. And it's manual. Damn. This one might not even be a customer's car. I see plates on it. Alright, they made me come to the service side to pick it up because the parts department was closed. This sucks, but I got here and basically they were closed. Then I went to the service department because they told me like if you go there they might be able to top it off for you, blah blah blah, and then they weren't able to do it, so I gotta wait till tomorrow. So I'm gonna come back tomorrow and try to get the oil. But I mean, I should be fine. But one thing about me and any car that I own, I do not play with oil, bro. I do not play with the oil. All right, so I had stopped by main shop real quick because I was telling him that when I'm driving and I hit over like certain bumps, I could hear, it sounds like the front strut is kind of like tapping. So it could be something that is just loose, or it could just be the air strut itself. But I just want to get it checked out just to make sure nothing is loose or, you know, anything like that. But I'm hearing it in the front, nothing in the rear or anything like that. It's just the front. So you see it up here. I just want to make sure like the car is good. One thing about me, I'm very on top of maintenance. I don't play when it comes to it. So when there's little things that I feel like is going wrong, I'm not the type of person to wait like, oh, I'm gonna do it later, I try to get it when I start feeling the issue. Don't get me wrong, it was making noise probably for like a little while now, like maybe 3 weeks. Like in the beginning of like February, I started hearing the weird tapping noise, but I kind of like looked past it. But we're gonna try to figure out if there's anything loose or anything's wrong. So first thing he noticed is my level sensor for the headlight, right? Yeah. Maybe that's why I feel like my headlight isn't as bright. It might just be pointing downwards.
That tells the headlight to go up or down.
Yeah, I feel like
go like up a hill or down a hill.
Okay, so it doesn't do anything like just normal driving then.
No,
because I do feel like my headlight isn't as bright.
No, it's not gonna make the brightness, but maybe it's not pointing in the direction.
That's what I'm saying. It might be pointing in a weird direction.
So I could try to snip this back in, but if it pops out again, just buy a new one. They're cheap. Okay. I'm gonna try to connect it in a second. Let me see what else going on here.
Because I know it can't be the.
Take this tape off here. Oh, my bad.
No, you good.
Cut the zip ties.
Alright, so main found the culprit. It's the top one of the sway bar link. Anytime I drive, I hear that shit, and it annoys the fuck out of me.
Yeah, right here. This bolt ain't tight enough. But these some cheap ass sway bar links because they don't have the nut on the back for you to hold it so you can tighten it.
Yeah.
But we'll pop the wheel off and tighten that up.
It came with the kit, so don't say that Phil bought some cheap shit in the comments. It came with the kit. We out here at Lexus trying to pick up a couple parts for the F Sport. You got lock the door. I saw a nice little LC5 Hundo. You said your car is dusty? But yeah, we out here at Lexus trying to convince her to buy the new Lexus that just came out. I think it's a V8. But we off the GoPro because I don't feel like bringing the big camera and everyone's staring, asking a bunch of questions. But look at the LC500, bro. Yo, let's just trade in your car and get this. Look at the wheels. This shit is hard body. This could be you. You don't like the color?
The pearl rims.
No, I don't like the rims either, but damn, you got me saying rims, the wheels.
Wheels, rims, whatever.
This blue is icy as hell. Yes, this is the blue I want. This shit is pretty fire, bro. Red interior. Can't really see it, but I know a lot of people don't like the front grille. But to me, the front grille is pretty sick. To me, it looks pretty fire. It's pretty hard. How much are these shits? 68. Alright, your boy finally got the oil. So once it asks me to do another quart of oil, I'm just gonna do an oil change. This one is a 335 IS. The interior is pretty clean. Drop top. It's pretty fire. Kind of like the color. The original video I was trying to do for today didn't go as planned because I'm not gonna tell you guys because I'm still gonna do it, but I ended up at Main's house and he says that this is gonna be an M3 killer. Can any of you BMW guys tell me what kind of motor this is or not?
The specs.
But he says this is gonna be an M3 killer.
Oh, wait.
Alright, so he's already starting to do all his little ins and outs. I'll let him explain it more once he's kind of like through with everything that he's doing, but if you guys guessed it, this is an N54 motor that he's building from the top to the bottom. He's gonna go single turbo on the 335 that he has, so he's supposed to be pushing close to like 700 horsepower from what he's told me, but we'll see, you know, we'll see. One of the last pieces to the puzzle. Well, not really the last pieces, but this is what was holding him up so long. What is this called?
This is called a crank hub, a one-piece 2-pin crank hub.
So he had to do a couple drillings to get that to fit in there, which was nerve-wracking to watch, but it looks like it's good.
Let's test this out.
Babe. Without the adapter on it.
That's when you
Stick the drill down in the hole. Alright, it stopped right there. And I'm gonna pull it out where my finger landed at.
I need a snack of some
It's
sort.
snug though. Damn.
Shit's coming together.
I think I'm gonna take this gear out. This is making it a little difficult.
Mind you guys, he's rebuilding this whole entire motor right now in his house. Must be nice. But it's definitely coming together. He's got all the parts and tools that he needs, figuring out all the torque specs and all that good stuff, so that way there's no issues down the line.
out. Don't want to come out. Jeez. Right. There we go.
And what is this piece here that you're working on?
This is the oil and vacuum pump chain guide. So I'm trying to figure out how to situate this thing to install it. It's mad tricky. And I also gotta get the hub in there. So yeah, it's weird. I think they set this piece first.
See, it's not as easy as it looks. This thing is like a puzzle. You're working on like a 1,000-piece puzzle, but instead it's a motor. But you have to be like really, really careful with these things and knowing exactly what you're doing before you do it, because you know, you only get but one chance. As soon as something goes wrong, you gotta take this whole thing back apart. So that's one thing about Blueprint Auto. He always takes his time, tries to figure out things before, you know, buttoning everything back up. So when this car is back on the road, it's gonna be a problem.
We got the main timer chain. Shit.
Hi everybody, I look crazy. We're gonna do the chicken sandwich guessing challenge. All right.
Don't you gotta
They
put over
think
your
they
eyes?
know their chicken sandwiches, but we'll find out tonight.
You gotta put over your eyes.
Yeah, over your eyes.
All
We
right.
have masks.
This shit looks like draws.
So we have a
You know what
series.
that look like.
We have a series of 5 sandwiches, and they have to battle to see who knows the most sandwiches.
I'm ready.
And we're not doing no options, no multiple choice.
You gotta fight to the finish.
You gotta fight to the finish.
Okay.
So do
Sandwich.
y'all tell us after or just like a poll?
Yeah,
Yeah.
afterward.
You guys have a lot of options here.
So wait, where do you want to start with?
that one.
Okay.
You gotta
So,
show what that's it fine. is.
and no cheating. No, I am.
Okay.
All right. So the first sandwich is from.
These nuts.
Can you use it in a sentence?
No.
So we're gonna put it on.
Are you gonna allow them to ask questions? Can they ask for hints?
No, they're just gonna deliberate on their own. Like, they're gonna say it tastes like this, maybe. Okay, so today we're going to. I look crazy. Hello. Today we're gonna be doing the chicken sandwich battle. We got Phil over here to the right and Jermaine over here to the left. They think they know their chicken sandwiches, but we're gonna find out tonight. The first sandwich that they're gonna try is from. All right.
What you sniffing over
You
there?
sliced it in half, and it's time to deliberate.
But how am I supposed to know where the chicken is?
All right,
Okay.
please. I'm going to help you guys. Reach over your hand right here. You're trying to act retarded. Come on.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay. Ready?
Okay, wait.
Ready?
Okay. Countdown. I'm gonna do the
5.
countdown.
Okay, go ahead, Christy.
wait,
go.
is he gotta do it fast or something?
No,
No.
You just have to guess it.
I'm gonna count down
Alright.
from 3, okay? Ready?
Okay.
3, 2, 1,
Go.
go.
Alright, so bread feels a little fatty.
Oh, wow.
Alright, what kind of bun is this? That's the first thing. They definitely got it off the value menu. Alright, hold up. This chicken, alright.
This is from Wendy's.
Is that your final answer?
Yeah.
Okay, Phil's.
Alright,
just
put
lock
the
it
sandwich down then.
No, yeah.
Put the sandwich down.
Put the sandwich down, take a bite, put it down. Your answer's locked down. Now we're waiting for Jermaine's answer.
It's not McDonald's, I know that. They don't make their chicken like this.
You just trying to get a free meal. Can you say the answer?
It's too big. It's too big to be White Castle. You got some flavor though.
Ew, Phil smacked him.
You can't eat the whole thing. You gotta be.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have to make your
Other
guess at this
sandwich.
point. You have to make your guess at this point.
I don't think it's Wendy's though.
Put the sandwich
It's
down.
a little more tender.
Okay, now your time.
Put the
to figure
sandwich
it out.
down and tell us what it is.
Just any fast food restaurant?
Yeah.
Which
what's
one
your
do you
guess?
think it is?
I'm gonna say Chick-fil-A.
Okay.
Okay.
Taking it away. Where am I putting it?
Do we?
Oh,
Wendy's though, that shit was too good.
We put it down. So can we say it?
no. At the end. At the end.
That's confusing.
Is
No,
mine,
I'm gonna remember.
is mine recording?
Or somebody write it
You're not gonna
down.
let them finish it?
No, we have to.
Yeah. I
What?
need to
Okay,
finish it.
so now
No, I'm saying
Pause.
now we're doing two. All right, sandwich number 2.
Two.
Popeye. Oh.
Oh, it's Popeye, baby.
Number 2.
you should add that in the bloopers.
Yeah.
Where's that?
Show. All right.
Okay.
Oh, you feeling weird as hell?
3, 2,
This
One,
one's sloppy.
go.
This one hella thick. Why is it so thick?
Jermaine takes hella long touching it.
Oh.
This one,
It's good, huh?
that one's KFC. That's KFC.
Is that your final answer?
Yeah.
This a
It's
thick-
locked down. Oh, you should be writing down something so you don't have to talk. Here.
Yo, this a little thick.
Where's your phone? Write down everything that's happening. Phil's answer, Jermaine's answer, and the orders.
Jermaine never gave an answer for number 1.
Yeah, he did. The number 1 he said for
Chick-fil-A.
Jermaine. Chick-fil-A.
Yo, this a thick little baby right here.
All right.
Are you
So
gonna
what
give
is
me
it?
an answer?
That shit is good.
Word.
It's like, I didn't know if you think it was good or bad.
It's a thick
I don't know,
sandwich.
man.
Yeah, cause
I ain't never had one like that.
Man, annoying.
Just because we both hungry.
That's a
You gotta give
McThickum.
me a headache.
It's so soft too, but
not
this is
soft.
hard, man. I should have gave us a list.
Phil already
Nope.
locking stuff down. Say something.
KFC too.
Right. Moving on.
Yo, let me get
So you
that
got
back.
everything so far?
I'm going based off the
I need that one back after the show.
Okay.
He said, I need that one.
Oh, you put it in there?
Yeah.
I'm trying to go
I'm
based
just
off the
gonna wrap it
smells.
in here.
Yeah.
You gonna put all of one person's thing into one bag?
Yo, this is harder than I
We're
thought.
putting it right.
Honestly, I'm going based off what it smells like.
Okay. Sandwich number. Hold on.
This is funny.
And you can always feel the texture of the bun.
But that was
All right.
that was real chicken. That was
Sandwich number 3.
These niggas probably went to go get gourmet chicken sandwiches.
word. Like that was some next
one?
level type
They
chicken.
all from the same place.
Sandwich number 3.
That's the type of shit Vanessa be on.
Okay.
They was going for a minute. They must have been driving around.
Okay. Then. Wait, hold
Hold on.
I can't get this.
No, you gotta wait. Well, you have a heart attack.
Uh-oh.
They probably made it too.
Ew. What the,
Where is it?
what?
Wait.
You know
Oh, he's good. He's good. Okay, go. Go.
Where is it
Right there.
at? Why is it wet?
Sandwich number
Number 3.
3.
3, 2,
I definitely know
1,
this one.
go.
Oh, this one flat.
Not
My
that
head is
thick,
about
not
to-
that thick.
He over there sniffing the hell out of the sandwich.
Well, that's good. He's using his senses. As long as you're not looking.
Yo, he's
This one
sniffing
smelled
out.
like it had lettuce on it.
You sound like them.
This is from McDonald's.
Okay. Is that your final answer?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, put the
Put your
sandwich.
sandwich
Dude got that
down.
McDonald's.
Y'all fat as hell. Because Vanessa hungry. She didn't have nothing
Damn,
today.
Vanessa, I'm with Vanessa right
Yo,
now. Like, yo, what
This
you
one
say?
tastes cheaper though.
It does.
Tastes cheap.
No, we'll talk about that at the end too. The prices and stuff. Because it's funny.
Yeah, this tastes no bueno.
Okay, so what's your
Alright.
answer?
Lock in your answer.
As you should. That place is in
McDonald's.
McDonald's. Jermaine's answer and
Phil said,
He said
McDonald's.
McDonald's too.
okay, they both said McDonald's.
okay.
It had
Okay.
that lettuce smell on it. Y'all only went to name brand fast food spots, right?
Yeah.
They
Yeah.
made that shit
So-
at my house and came back.
Where
And
they
you did
Alright.
that?
Kennedy fried chicken and shit.
Why you moved it?
Oh,
I haven't even
there
ordered
you
Yo,
go.
what's up with the
Put it in
Whitley
here.
though? Can I get some more Whitley?
Yeah, that's what I was.
That shit's strong.
It's alright.
It's done.
Let me get the rest of it. It looks like a little drop.
No, it's
in it.
literally
Yeah, and
done.
I took that little drop of it.
Wow.
Okay.
That was like 15 minutes ago.
Sent.
I'm sorry.
We still live?
Yes.
Okay.
Yo, the one before that one though, I need that back.
Yeah.
That's what you're eating my chicken sandwiches.
All right.
Sandwich number
3.
Number 4.
number 4.
Number 4. Number 4.
Do we get Popeyes back?
Oh, I can't wait to
Okay,
eat
gentlemen,
what
reach
y'all
out for your sandwiches.
Oh. White Cast. Wait. They making jokes. Is this white? It gotta be White Cast. Hold on.
This is definitely
Yeah, White
Castle. I
Castle.
don't even gotta try.
Chicken ring sandwich.
Is that your final answer?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Tastes cheap too compared to the other one.
This one don't even got chicken in it.
What do you got?
This shit got
This shit tastes like fish.
cartilage.
Ew.
Ew.
I taste nothing but bread.